Be on guard, be alert. You do not know when the time will come. Mark 13:33. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best Tolobeef ever. This will be done right at the comfort of your home. Tolobeef is cured beef that is used to enhance our flavor in most Ghanaian dishes. To all my Ghanaians and all Ghanaian food lovers, this recipe is for you to make the best Tolobeef just like you have bought in the market. So if you're interested, stick around and let's get right into it. To be able to cure your beef and make it more flavorful, you need some coarse salt and also some natural herb. I go with some dried bay leaves, some dried cloves, and I always love to add some green dried cardamom seeds. It gives it that amazing Tolobeef aroma and it's just incredible. Do not omit this. This part of the beef to make your Tolobeef is the cow veins, also known as intini. It has a good amount of fat and it's also boneless, making the taste of the beef extra delicious once it's So I'll go ahead and give it a nice wash and make sure I get rid of excess, wanted parts and particles in there. And once I'm done, I'll go ahead and rinse it off again and pat it dry. This is very, very important just so that your beef will be able to absorb all the ingredients that we added very soon to it. This Tolobeef really, really comes out so delicious. If you've not used the intini or the cow veins to make your Tolobeef, you're missing out. Please try it and you are going to absolutely enjoy it more. So now that I've patted the beef dry, I'm going to now add my salt, good amount of it. Be generous with it. This is why I love to use the coarse salt because it does not end up making the beef too salty. The table salt or the normal salt that we use always make the beef extra salty, which I do not enjoy. So please try using the coarse salt or the sea salt. It's best for this recipe. And I'm now going to add all my dried herbs to it and I'm going to now cover it and allow it to sit on my counter for a day and we will see the results. Adding the herbs really, really matters because it will help drive away all the rodents and any particles that might come near your beef, and it also give it this beautiful aroma, in my opinion, rather than making it with just salt. So please try adding all your herbs you see in this video, especially the cardamoms. I absolutely love it. This is a day after, and as you can see, the salt and the herbs have really, really helped the beef get rid of the extra blood that it had in it. Hence the color change. We can see that it is nice and beautiful brown. Extraction of the blood comes in this form of water, so we're going to get rid of it and just gently get rid of every water or liquid that may appear here, and go ahead and add a little bit more salt. Sprinkle a little bit more salt, not too much, and cover it and store it again on a counter and make it rest for at least 24 hours. 24 hours, you are going to see the exact same results again. If there is extra more blood, you're going to see it in the form of liquid, which you're going to discard and sprinkle a little bit more of the salt on it and put it in your container. Cut them into the size that you prefer. Put it in a container and then store it in your fridge. Store it in your fridge and you're going to enjoy your Tolobeef for the next 6 months. And you're going to really, really enjoy the flavor. You're going to enhance all the flavors in your dishes with this amazing Tolobeef. Just look at that. So amazing. So there you have it, family. This is the end. I hope that you try this and let me know how yours went. Okay, I absolutely am going to make my angamo with this. I'm going to prepare some tilapia live soup, and I add a little bit of this. Oh my goodness, it is so amazing. Thank you so very much for watching right to the end. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give it a try. And if you do, please let me know in the comment section as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.